Good afternoon. My name is Adeyemi Adetunji Dolapo, and I'm here to present about research on how sensor works in drones and agricultural monitoring. Today, we will explore critical sensors that allows drones to navigate farms and monitor crops out autonomously. First, let's look at the Initial Measurement Unit, or known as the IMU. Its primary goal is to provide raw data on linear accelerations and angular velocity. In reinforcement learning, this data forms the state representation, helping the robot understand its pose, its tilt, direction, and speed to maintain stability. The IMU works using accelerometers for speed changes and gyroscopes for rotations. Through a mathematical process called integrations, we can perform date reckoning to estimate the drone's position without a map. However, we must manage integration drifts where tiny measurement errors accumulate into large position errors over time. Moving on to the next one, known as the multispectral sensor. Its goal is to detect biological signatures or plant health that are invisible to us. It measures how much light a plant reflects in the visible red and near infrared, or known as the NIR bands. Healthy plants absorb red light for energy but reflect NIR strongly. If a plant is stressed, its leaf structure breaks down, reflecting less NIR. We use this data to calculate the NDVI index in our AI models. This sensor provides the reward function, giving the drones points for finding and staying over areas of high crop stress. Last but not least, by combining this sensor, we achieve true farm automations, which are the IMU gives the drones a sense of its own body, while multispectral sensors give a sense of its environmental. Converting these physical properties into measurable data allows us to create state representations and reward function for reinforcement learning. This enables the AI to learn to navigate field efficiency and prioritizing the crops that needs the most care. We are building an autonomous system that can see, feel, and make decision for a suitable future, sustainable future. And thank you for listening. Modern agriculture services are redefining how we grow food, making it more efficient, sustainable, and data driven for challenge of tomorrow.